Hi guys, this is video number 2 for our recipes. We're going to make raspberry flapjacks today. These are some of the things we're going to need. So we have a brownie tin. Mine's about 20 centimeters by 27 centimeters. We've got some butter, some frozen raspberries, got our weighing scales, some porridge oats, some honey, some light brown sugar. And down here I've got some of the things we're going to need. So we need a pan, a wooden spoon and our tablespoon there for measuring. So these are all the things that we're going to need. I've got the oven preheated to 180 degrees, which I think is gas mark 4. You can check that in the recipe. So I'm going to pause the video now so that I can measure out all my ingredients and get things started. So if you want to pause at this stage and get yourself organised with your bits, you can press play again when you're ready to go. Okay, so here we go. I've got my 150 grams of butter melting in my pan. I'm going to add to this, I'm going to put in the 150 grams of light brown sugar. And I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so I'm just going to do it rough hand, but you guys can measure it with a spoon. It's just because I'm trying to hold the phone at the same time. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just stir this and let it melt until it all comes together. So you can pause this video here now and then come back to it when you've got everything mixed together and it's all melted together. Okay, so that's happened. I've got my butter, my sugar and my honey all melted together in this little brown liquid. So what we're going to do now is add in the oats. So I've got 300 grams of porridge oats. I'm just going to tip them straight in and then I'll mix it all together. Okay, and once I've done that, it'll look great. I'm going to pause the video now so I can stir it all in well. And you guys can pause too to do that, and then come on back when you've got that mixture all mixed together. Okay, so this is what it should look like at this stage. We've got the honey, the sugar, the butter, and now the oats all mixed in together. And I'm going to transfer this mixture now into my greased and lined brownie tin. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again now so we can do this part. Okay, so this is the flapjack mixture in the tin. And what I'm going to do once I have it in there is this, just flatten it down with the back of your spoon so that it's nice and compact in the tray. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take about 100 grams of frozen raspberries and I'm just going to take them out, the bigger ones, and I'm going to just scatter them over the top of the mixture, like this. You can put on as many or as few as you want to. And then what I'm going to do is just like gently press them down into the mixture like this. So they actually, and they'll probably melt down a little bit more when they're cooking. So push them all down as hard as you can into the mixture. Okay, I think that's probably enough. More for look. Now, and then what I'm going to do is take this tin, I'm going to pop it in the oven. That looks great, doesn't it? I'm going to pop it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown. And what we'll do then is take it out and let it cool down completely. And then you can cut it up into either 9 or 12 or however many squares you like. It's kind of go across and then across twice. And you'll get a nice good few squares out of it. It's up to you though how many squares you want to get. They look great, so I hope they taste great and you guys enjoy them. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.